Before you, with my heart in my hand, I want you to read it, mama, hoping that you understand. Well, babe, mama, please don't talk me round. I'd rather love you, baby, more than anyone else in town. Because you're so nice and loving, and you have such brilliant ways. If you take me to your home, be there the rest of my days. That's the truth, mama. When you know I wouldn't lie. If I don't love you, baby, well, I swear I hope to die. Well, baby, don't you want a man like me? Well, baby, don't you want a man like me? You think only about your future, forget about your used to be. Don't you want a man like me? Well, baby, baby, don't you want a man like me? You think only about your future, forget about your used to be. Come on, bass. Like me, baby, baby, don't you want a man like me? You think only about your future, just forget about your used to be. When my days are long and dreary, and the sun refused to shine, I would never be blue and lonely if I knew that you are mine. Well, babe, will you make everything alright? Can I have you today, babe, or will it be tomorrow night? This is my confession. confessing, mama, and I'm thrilled by all your charms. Well, it seems that I'm in heaven when you hold me in your arms. Well, babe, you can have me for yourself. You are meant for me, mama. I don't want nobody else. Yeah. Thank you.
Come on.